Hey gamers! I know how annoying it is when your gaming headphones suddenly stop working. Whether it's sound issues or your mic giving you attitude, don't worry, I've got your back today. I'll show you how to repair your gaming headphones at home, step by step, in just a few minutes. First, let's figure out the problem. Maybe you're getting no sound in one or both ears, or perhaps the mic is silent when you need it the most. Sometimes it's a loose wire near the jack, or those ear cushions are all worn out and sad. Whatever the case, let's fix them one by one. Let's tackle the most common issue first, the cable or jack. 9 out of 10 times it's a damaged AUX or USB cable. Try this. Play some audio, and gently bend the wire near the jack. If the sound cuts in and out, it's a loose connection for sure. Here's what you do. Carefully cut open the wire near the jack, strip off a bit of insulation, and reconnect the wires, either by soldering or by attaching a new 3.5 mm jack connector you can buy online. Seal it up with electrical tape or a heat shrink tube and you're sorted. Now if one side isn't working, let's open up the ear cup with a small screwdriver. Don't panic, just go slow. Inside, check if the speaker wires are detached or snapped. If you see a loose wire, grab your soldering iron and gently resolder it to the speaker pin. Before closing it up, play some audio to test if it's back in action. Mic not working? First, double check your software settings and see if there's a mute switch on the wire. Still nothing? Open the mic housing and look for loose or broken wires. Again, a quick resolder usually does the trick, and don't forget to check for dust clogging the mic. A gentle blow or a soft brush can help. Worn out ear cushions making those long sessions a pain? No worries. You can buy universal ear pads online. Just glue or clip them on and suddenly your headset feels brand new, super comfy, and the sound even improves. And that's it. You just saved your gaming headset and didn't even have to spend big bucks. If this helped you out, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more quick repair guides, and tell me in the comments if you want a full mic replacement video next. Which gaming headset do you use? Comment below. I love reading your answers. Catch you in the next one.